Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana hanum na ye wono. Journalist bebre wo hwa with all due respect. Asa wo kogina TV so na radio so no mo kasa asa wonu wie ansa no mo akokasa. Asa what the way tofe ebu apetesigu so ansa no mo akọ omo radio stations TV stations akwakoye adwuma titru pa any TV3 ena onua TV journalist for no obugu won sometimes omo kasa asa insugina omo tirim. Excuse my language because chimene you too much into we journalist na say o support the party dia e normal. You can choose to support NPP, you can choose to support NDC. Who cares? Because obi aye me tie untimi enforce me say me kwoto aba ma NDC me yare. Sa so na me so me ntumi enforce say kwoto aba ma NPP. E bia wo so bewu. It's your choice. Ukokromoti we wa wo dia me ntimi metwa nchene. Wo so ntimi metwa me de nchene. So wo support the party bia e fine. But must you always say the negative things about the government? Inti journalists bia mo kromi ya mo pack a cheme sentina na do be president onya de papa bia then they mijina Jonnie Hill jo say Jonnie Hill so say Jonnie no kasa asa wa abo ka bibia Jonnie aya mo check na say captain smart is obi ko no radio station on jot ansa na wa ko Jonnie so ko gina TV so kasa asa wa abo. The last time, I think TV3 for a year, Omukotra project be Akwanya say e wo Ghana hanon. Omukoye report be Omukotra Sikumo Dobin Brakwa district. Dubai. Na Akwanya na na do aye yina say MPs ni bi no mo ye lobbying no mo ye mo akwa maye na Sikumo Dobin Brakwa ye MP no alaji hwan hwan no wo parliament house ntumi ngasa na. Okasa omba be ye nkwan maye because na do nani no nye on hwe telescope Oti Flagstaff House on one for us man continue ma. On timi nya mam. Jonnie akotwetwa akwanya port holes wo na de ba bekyere. Na this fo omo fi abemu say 7.5 years e ne boa. Omo green book akwanya waga na ha no mi na ewo me na ba ne sen e na mo twetwa akwanya kire say akwanya nye. What is wrong with some of you journalists? What is wrong with you? Is everything okay? Is everything normal? Inti nyama pa na nado ye wa hina mu nti de na nado eye na eye ne mo abeka be nyama pa ne de wanye ne yie bibi ha mo anaze ade Jonnie ni video bi a o yes endro se na 3 days o new regions na his excellency na adan kwaku do betete no onye bibia wo ho so onye reading onye research journalists are better radio so kasa without any evidence, no fact. Now kasa. Okay. Na do ba better regions 6 aka ho, na ye 10 and na ye 16, right? Mahama ne pencil regions na ye 10 pe. Jonnie, ye bold, na bra, beka cha yen say, just 3 regions are. Mahama edi development e ko ho. Edi akwan insu schools e ko ho 3 regions pe ka kire me asat NDC for one time na 10. His excellency na adan kwakufa na wotina radio TV so e bonitiri so no or the 6 abeka na 16 regions. As I'm talking to you now, we have 16 regions in this country. 16 regions ni na nanado e the development akọ Jonnie ubua so o person me ko challenge afrem wo TV3 ho me mempe if any say publicity me person abe famous no aka say bia obi hia me mpempo me person me ko viral akra no bia hu. I'm just doing what I love. Obi hu me afa obi hu me I just and I'm just telling the truth because I know what this government has done. Bra 16 regions in Asamanado enye bibi wo ho a ebusuafo entie nsema Jonnie e kan no kakra.
When we created the new regions, Western North, Savannah region, OT region. We created the Northeast region, Bono East region, 16 regions we made them. We said that we gave them 20 million each for them to develop so we can have development come closer to the people. Come to me. Find me the president's picture. I asked Nanado today, Bozu, since you hurriedly created the regions and gave them regional ministers, created office for them, all of who get ex gratia, how have the regions developed? The seed money or so-called seed money that you give to them, what have they used it for? In all your SONA from 2017, 18, 19, 20, 2021, 2, 3, 4, you have never spoken about the new regions. And you are 80.
Ebusuafo in some way na Jonnie ede etuja. But Jonnie, since a while been say no brana betie. Oti region a new region His Excellency ebete. Oti region almost frɛ be dua kwanta se den akwanya na ɛwɔ hɔ amanfo su. Say kwan ne His Excellency Nanado why sa kwan no. Region say water region including Oti region Nanado ye. Ma Oti region funa kase mbedia dancing that no sami jamfi etiti say ye develop ye buy water region town roads ye develop ni ya bitu omuka now say TV3 say UTV koye amount for interview no be kan no kware say omo akwa na na baba ya mo when this bude na moje dey now yanko Western North His Excellency SC5 courts
do say wa hu chire mu no yesi eye court mako sa enum omanpenda da mahama any mess entimi enti ba kumpo Western North ye ba judicial system yesi body court e wa hu chire mu yesi body judge bangaro e wa hu chire mu yesi eye swaman court e wa hu chire mu yesi swaman judge bangaro e wa hu chire mu yesi akontomna de yesi bia east yesi bia west me dem nwa ndc ni okay so omo ka say omo mresa ahoto wo ho no Western North wa under the Miss Mahama regime on chemi judicial service project 1 court 1 mutim si e zero medas yes so ho chirem ya chirem na menade yes so ho chirem mi 2 so to ase but eba industrialization e kwa e be fa so a oman no sahwifo benya adwuma ya NDC ebeta so kasa bebebe nyina bebebe for so many years no any one track record of factory mama brunya adwumaye okay and them say simebo say ye ba ye yetimi asi factory makoma sa 5 e wa ho kirem ebi said then ebi sa control right factory
5 district courts our Western North empty to that there so kwan empty that to that there so kwan sa kwan Jonnie wa fa so da eda ho na mo penso NDC abedia kondwe 27 years omo ye Nanado ababaye enya hwe kura sa 6 regions na His Excellency tie no emu abofre bia enya free exigence on fa so Akontombra rice factory enya wempo de no ko hina no be kan Akontombra rice factory ede adwuma gidigidi enya asempito akra factories ahina ma ha mesi Commander sugar factory kura or $37 million US year crown when this is war and then this for be catch and send another and another nana me sorry say Nanado His Excellency Nanado me pacho Commander sugar factory no man si won enrenese menye waka say akọ say 6 months said nana did not da na wa bre nana did not da Ghana for power won kosipo because we are ungrateful people no more man Miss Nana 6 months na kan da won kasa 8 years when Nana Miss da why are they why o hwe na won ti ase de shepo ade Nana don kwa betimi I solve Ghana problems in 20 ever since I get independence nyande problems e Ghana Nana don kwa betimi de 8 years na solve ni na mo to NPP fo nso no be so a wo kana mo atukwa mo fa mo asem fi independence Oti ase Akontombra rice factory Mahama ko gina ho Akontombra fo na na de ka so ma factory why no mo aje so pepe nyame tua mahamaka a contemporary factory na do promise o mo de am e de na mo hwehwe fi na do why mo dey Jonnie and a Captain Smart mumu dey okay Jonnie yate and a Captain Smart mo abona na do ni tri so a ti boy na be president on ya de papa ba kumpo and so meka ne ntie e de na ha mo 16 regions are his excellent 6 regions or take why 16 region develop just na do Ghana ha me hu be development nko wa wo kwan ye no hwe Ghana American show constituency be mo kwan ye no MP no won ye NDC ni NDC for one yes development bi nti no mo Ghana ha no mo sika akando kobla minta akando why say kwadi we twa so why say me ameti tie ate say me ameti ya western region say she contemporary na ho keka ho wa kwan ye mo parliamenters mo tumi kasa ne hu hia na mo ye ho mfum asem so ho Jonnie huge so why na do we develop 16 regions of Ghana ha na do development akọ obi anya ayekra na ye ne kwan e na free SHS South Azam meka che mu nyansem hu no adai